So the shipyard, if we want, is split in 3 sections. One where we do the vacuum infusion with the mold, and there is a finishing section which is in front of us. Like that, we don't cross-contaminate with dust and things like this. And that is the on the right-hand side, it is a large unit to drill the day we have a 70, an 80 or whatsoever. We will drill from here. For the small story, this shipyard has been drilled according to specific international standards. So we have a fully air-con and ventilated storeroom for all the liquid, the resin. Okay, in case something were to happen, at least it's separate from the rest. Lamination is where we do vacuum infusion on very flat to make all the wood. So what is important, the big difference between our way of building compared to the big leader in Europe. Not only we vacuum infuse the hull, but we vacuum infuse everything else on the boat. All the wall, the door, the things like that. When in Europe they vacuum infuse the hull, usually in 2 and 3 parts. We do in 1 part, so it makes the hull much stronger. And then everything else, all the wall, the cockpit, the flybridge, everything is vacuum infused. So we really gain weight everywhere, not only on the hull. Here you have a better view. So that is the mold of the 410. There you have the saloon of the 410.
The deck mold, yeah.
The deck mold. And that is the flybridge roof of the 48. As Brandon said, every boat is taken, put in the pool. We test everything to make sure that it works here, that we don't have a problem at sea.
Some fiberglass and the core, and then they lay the plastic over it, and then there's air to drain it out of, and then you inject the resin into it, and the resin moves through evenly through the whole of the moulding, and any excess comes out. So the weight is controlled, the strength is controlled, and it's all done in one shot, they call it, but it takes a long while to prepare.
Wow.
But you end up with stronger, lighter, more consistent construction and more consistent strength, and it takes away a lot of the human error of putting too much resin or not enough fiberglass in.
The resin we're using is vinyl ester. It is a little bit more expensive resin than the regular resin you are using on European boats. But because we vacuum infuse, we really use what is necessary. The difference in price is not that much, but the big thing is after 5 years your boat always still look shiny. You have this shiny white. It doesn't start to become yellowish.
BakriCono is a privately held company with Swiss and South African ownership and management. It's strategically located by the sea on the eastern seaside of the Gulf of Thailand, facilitating any overseas export. BakriCono Shipyard specializes in the construction of luxury catamaran yachts, both power and sailing, from 45 to 120 feet. BakriCono has a large staff of specialized workers and technicians, which gives them the ability to handle boat building from A to Z. With the assistance of this strong team, BakriCono develops technically advanced, stylish, practical, economical and safe yachts.